Hi, good morning, traders. Today, again, I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick psychology, and I'm going to use 1 minute and trade Euro versus GBP, and so the trend is up trend. So let's see how the market will go. So um, yeah, I think I'm a little bit late, so I'll wait and make my entry next. So uh, we can see the market uh, is moving uptrend. So most of my trade will be up for some time, but we can see over here that this is a seller zone and that the market is about to reverse from this very portion, but we can also see that the trend is so strong from the buyers, but since here is a seller zone, I'll go sell from here. uh, let's see how the market go. It looks like buyers try to enter, but this is a seller's candlestick. It's a continuation candlestick, and so that is why I click on low or put over here. So let's see how the market will go. Okay guys, it looks like it's going to be a win trade for us because my entry point is very good. Okay, I'll make put again. I've gotten a very good entry point. So now we can see that the market is now reversing so strong. So let's see how the market go from here. We can again see the sellers entering back so strong, and I had a very good entry point. So hopefully this will also be a win trade for us. So guys, if you can make your trade or analyze your trade this way, you are having a lot of chance to. Okay, this was a lost trade, so I think it's time that buyers are going to enter the market because we can see buyers at the seller's zone, so meaning the market is not going to continue to push up. We lost this trade, the last trade, and losses are one of them. As a trader, we sometimes expect to lose. I thought that sellers were going to enter in this market because sellers were so strong here, but uh, the buyers from this point were too strong that they did not allow the sellers to continue the market. So yeah, now the market has reached again seller's point. I think I'm late. My train was late, so we'll wait and make our entry after this candlestick. Okay, now we see sellers entering into the market so strong. So we got a trading point over here. Okay, so sellers are too strong from here, and we're expecting reverse from this point, but okay, I'm going to sell again because I can see sellers were too strong, and this is another seller's point, so at least sellers will enter again for 1 minute, and then buyers will take over the market. So let us see how the market will go. So we can see buyers at this point. So I'm going to move the point to this area. Okay, this was also a win. So now I will buy or put a call from here because this is a reversal candlestick, and we saw buyers were pushing so strong from this point. So this might be a winning trade again for us because we saw that buyers were trying to enter to the market from this point. So let's see how the market will go. Guys, I think this a lost trade. Okay, we have entered. So okay, all right, this is a lost trade. All right, I'll put again. Because this is buyer's point, so that is why I put from here. But we're still seeing sellers candlestick at the buyer's area. All right. Guys, we won this one, but the buyers are not that strong in the market. So okay, so I'm going to call from this point. My entry is late, so I'll make my trade after this candlestick. Okay, we see a break. All right, buyers have entered again. So sellers candlestick at the buyer zone. All right, buyers have entered again, and so I'll go for buy again. Alright, so now we can see sellers try to enter the market, but buyers have again pushed so strong. So let's see. Okay, guys, I'll buy again. I'll buy again because I saw the rejection from sellers were very weak, and this is also a buyer's zone, so meaning that buyers will take the market for some time. Okay, so now sellers will take over the market from here. Okay, so we are now at sellers zone. So guys, I'll wait. It was draw. Then I will buy again because I still see buyers at this very point. Mm, my entry point is also good, so let's see what will happen from here. Okay, this was also a win trade. So I'm gonna take my last trade, and guys, I have taken about 7 trade, 1 loss, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 trade, 1 loss, and then 1 ATM, 1 was draw. So let's see how this one will go. But I just want to tell you that if you can analyze your market this way, your trade and analyze the market this way, you're going to have a very good winning ratio. So let's see how this will go. All right. Okay. Oh, guys, this was a lost trade. So I'm going to take one more trade. I'm going to take one more trade from here. I've taken about 6-7 trade. I've lost 2 due to bad entry. Like this was supposed to be a win, but my entry was bad. So we got a doji here, but I saw that telling me sellers are available at this very point. So in the second trade, I pull call, and hopefully this will be a win. And this is how we analyze the market. And once you do your analysis this way, trust me, you're gonna have a lot of winning ratio. So this is also a win trade, guys. Trading is not hard. You just have to have patience and analyze the market the way it's supposed to go, and you're gonna have a very good winning ratio. Okay, so here we see buyers entering so strong from this point, but sellers have entered again. So let me see. I can see sellers will enter again from this point, and so I have put again or trade lower again because I can see sellers at the buyer zone, so telling you that sellers will continue the market, and my entry point is also very good, very good entry point. And we see this candlestick so strong, and at this point a strong level at the same time. So I know that this will be a buyer's a seller's, sorry, sellers will enter the market again at this point. So guys, in total I've taken a couple of trades, 8 trade, and out of 8 trade I lost 2. So it's a very good winning ratio, and this is how I want you to analyze the market to have a lot of a winning ratio. So this is how I would like to end it, but I would like you to subscribe to my channel, so that will encourage me to make more videos for you. I actually need a lot of you guys to become a very good trader. You ought to become very good traders. So follow my steps, and you can also contact me if you need a VIP classes on trading. So let me make one more trade from here because I can see uh, this as a reversal candlestick. So we saw the trend coming this way, and then all of a sudden, so this telling me that sellers from this area has given all, and that buyers will take over, because this is a reversal candlestick with a very strong rejection. So that is why I had to take this trade. So this I tell you that analyze your market this way, and you're gonna have very good winning ratio. So in total I took 11 trades, and I lost only 2, and I had 1 draw, and this is also going to be a win. So subscribe to my channel, like it, share it with your friend, and let all guys become traders. And let me know if you have any suggestion, any comment that I can help you to become a very good trader. Thank you very much, and hope to see you next. Bye for now.